Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Take a printed origami paper, fold it like this. Now fold it from the sides and then spread it and fix it like this. Make these squares on the paper. Now we have to fold the paper upward like this and fold it from the between. Turn the paper and press it backward like this. Now you have to fold it inwards from the sides like this. You can see we are folding it towards the center and it's ready. Next, we have to make this beautiful envelope. So we have to take this printed paper, fold it like this, make the creases on it. Now turn the paper and again fold it like this and make the frills over it. Now fold it from the front and press it like this and fix it backward as shown in the video and put it like this. And look, it's done. Next, we have to take the paper like this, fold it as shown in the video. Now fix it as we are folding here. Now press it from the between and fix it like this. Now you have to put it as shown in the video like this and press it. Now after that, turn the paper and again fold it as shown in the video and again fix it like this. Press it backward. Now spread the paper from the between and make a box-like shape as the video, and it's done. Next, we have to take the paper like this, fold it, and then we have to take the yellow color paper, fold it like this. Now, make the linings over it and press it. Turn the paper and again fold it like this. Now, turn the paper and again press it as shown in the video. Make the heart shape like this. Make few more as such and join them like this and paste it. Now, fix it at the end by making a circle, and it's done. Next, we have to take a paper and make this beautiful paper bag. So take a paper like this and fold it from the between. Turn the paper and again fold it like this from the sides. Now press it like this from the between. Again, you have to press it like this. Now fold it inwards as shown in the video. Press it from the other side as well like this. Now we have to fix it from the top, and it's done. Next, we have to make this tissue box. Now we have to take the paper, fold it like this as shown in the video. Now you have to press it. Now after that, you have to fold it like this from the sides. Press the paper by folding it from all the sides. Turn it and again fold it like this. We have to fix it at you. So you can see how we are folding it. Fix it by making a box. Put the tissue papers in the between and it's done. Next, we have to make this beautiful box. So you have to take a paper, fold it like this. Now after that, you have to press it from the sides as well to make the creases. Now open the paper and press it like this together and fold it. Now after that, you have to take another paper and put it in the between and cover it from the top and press it like this and fix it. And it's done. Next, we'll be making these paper clips. So take a paper, fold it from the between like this and press it. Now fold it from the between like this as shown in the video and press it and cut it from the between. Now we have to put it inwards and press it. Now spread the frills like this little bit and it's done. Next, we'll be making these beautiful carry bags, or the paper bags you can say. So we have to take a paper, fold it like this. So take a big paper, now fold it from the between and press it from the sides. Spread it and follow the same step for the other side. Now fix it from the between or the sides you can say like this. Now by making a hole on the top, you have to fix the threads to make its handle like this, and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.